Hi, I'm Kevin, Group Manager, 5-star rating, and for more reviews like this, click below. I was using Excel previously, but I found Google Sheets to be a little more user-friendly and online, more functionality on it, for me anyway. What I particularly liked about Google Sheets was when I was handling databases, I was the removing of duplicates from email addresses. That proved to be a challenge with other platforms, but it was very straightforward using Google Sheets. It was just a simple command which saved me a lot of time in compiling my lists. Very simple to onboard into the company. Yet again, a lot of Google apps overlap in the way they have the same methodology, method of thinking, so it wasn't a huge stretch to go into Google Sheets compared to other Google like Gmail, etc. So it was quite easy. Most definitely give Google Sheets a try, because I found the online help was quite helpful there as well. So you don't need to be an Excel guru, and even if spreadsheets aren't your thing, it is relatively easy to learn, and once you know it, then it is quite easy to retain and reuse.